red and white Air Asia logo was unmissable as the damaged tail section was brought aboard the salvage ship. Investigators are now taking it in for analysis. Recovery experts have turned their attention to the flight's 8501's data recorders. Ping-like sounds detected on Friday came from a position near the recovered tail. Divers did manage to pull other debris from the Java Sea on Friday, evidence that the plane was torn into countless pieces. This has complicated the search for both its black boxes and further bodies of those on board.